data out on initial unemployment claims today. The Labor Department reporting 779,000 Americans filed for initial benefits last week. That is the lowest number we have seen since late November. Let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Emily McCormick for a breakdown of those numbers. Emily, I guess on the surface, it shows that there's some signs of improvement, but walk us through some of the specifics that you think point to just what is still a very complicated recovery.
Absolutely, Kiko. And just taking a look here, this is now the second major data point that we've gotten that came in better than expected on the labor market. Remember that we got better than expected for the ADP private payrolls report for January as well. And now, of course, getting that bigger than expected drop on those new weekly jobless claims. So to reiterate those headline figures, we did see initial jobless claims coming in at 779,000 for the week ended January 30th. That was better than the 830,000 that had been expected, and a downwardly revised 812,000 during the prior week. Now, taking a look at those continuing claims, so those individuals still on regular state programs, those coming in at 4.592 million, also below the 4.7 million expected, and revised 4.785 million during the previous week. So again, still seeing some improvement there on both the new and continuing claims side. Now, taking a look by state here, we did see new jobless claims in Illinois tumble precipitously by 55,000 during the week ended January 30th. That's on an unadjusted basis. We also saw pretty major declines for Kansas and Texas. And then on the flip side, we did see California again posting the greatest number of new claims last week at more than 46,000. Now, the last thing I want to highlight here is that the latest data did show that more than 17.8 million Americans are still claiming unemployment benefits of some form. The majority of these do comprise claimants on those federal crisis era programs, including pandemic unemployment assistance and the pandemic emergency unemployment compensation programs at more than 10 million. Although we did see those numbers actually start to moderate based on this latest data. So again, this is teeing up what could be an upside surprise here for tomorrow's jobs report for January, since we now have had a couple of beats here on labor market data, but overall pointing to a start of a recovery, at least here for the job market. Akiko and Zach.
Okay, Emily McCormick, thanks so much for that.